Welcome back to another great day in Ohio. So, as you can see behind me, sun's out, ice is melting, but I'm out here and it's about 35 degrees outside this morning. So, hopefully all this ice will be melted, but behind me, the truck is missing, the 5th Gen Limited, and that's because it's actually in Indianapolis getting painted right now. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about my new truck, which is right here. This is an 89 D250 12 valve Cummins. As you can see, the elephant in the room, massive hood stack, which may or may not be staying. Haven't fully decided yet. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this truck. It's basically a wing it truck. So I do want to restore it, but we'll go over it real quick. The door is actually dented. It will shut, but for the most part. But door is dented, cab is okay, new door is ordered. Go to the interior here. I did start taking the door panels off of it to make sure, to see what I was going to get into, and you know, to make sure what was broken, what's not broken, start ordering stuff slowly. This tree is absolutely just killing my video, just dripping everywhere. But gauge cluster, took the gauge cluster out as well. So some small stuff has been taken out. Floor is absolutely in incredible shape. This is just a little surface rust, which I have plans for all that anyway. Seat, typical, you know, the vinyl is ripped, but all the springs in it are good. Back here, took the little tray out. All this is absolutely in immaculate shape. Some pieces are broken, but I should be able to try and repair that. Headliner, surprisingly, is in perfect shape. Even sitting outside, it's still, you know, no moisture on it, nothing on it. When I got the truck, there was no moisture. Visors are completely good. That one over there has a little spot on it, but, you know, I plan to have that repaired. Dash doesn't seem cracked at all, other than down here. This is probably the worst spot, but I think my biggest challenge is going to be the wiring. I have a whole new steering column already on the way. I think the biggest problem is going to be the bed and the wiring, but I'll go ahead and pop the hood here so you can see. And I don't know what's up with this paint. I don't know if they rolled it or what they did to get this paint on here, but there's the wiring I'm gonna have to deal with, which it just, in my mind, it just doesn't look clean, and I need to be looking clean. Truck doesn't leak any fluids, which is absolutely crazy. Still have the spare tire iron, and there's the hood stack. I think they took the OEM downpipe, looks like, and just fabricated it. There's a little sketchy EGT, but as you can see, non-intercooled, which I plan to change that. We'll go ahead and fire it up here so you all can hear, because that's what you all are here for, is to have a truck back on the channel that actually sounds like a real truck and not none of this emissions crap. So go ahead, stick it on the tripod and we'll fire it up. So as you can see, I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to the new truck on the channel. So, because once the white truck gets back, I'm not going to be probably putting the FlightFAB 4 link on right away. I might wait a year or so. I'm not sure. I know his stuff does take a little longer than I would like, but I'll probably go ahead and powder coat the OEM stuff and throw the wheels and tires on there after they're powder coated and just drop like that. So the 5th gen shouldn't have too much longer, honestly, until it's done. So why not go ahead and get a 1st gen? So I have a lot of ideas for this. I kind of want to make it, you know, oh, that lighting's horrible. There we go. Kind of want to make it like, I don't know, 900 horsepower, 1,000 horsepower, you know, just basically send it and leave the hood stack. Other part of me wants to fix it up nice and, you know, take it to shows. So I might do a in between and, you know, make a high horsepower 1st gen and possibly make it look nice. I don't know. Could just do a full sleeper and leave it the way it is and just put a massive motor in it, but there's some stuff on it that I need to have fixed, and I plan on relocating the battery just to clean up the engine bay, and that wiring really needs to be taken care of. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video. I know it wasn't anything crazy long or you know, exciting, but yeah, so got a 1st gen, started tearing apart instantly. So we're gonna see how far this goes. But if you like the video and you want to see this thing get built, then help me support the channel and like the video and subscribe. It really helps me out. So we'll catch you in the next one.